I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account on Android. This is going to be super easy for you guys. Just watch the video to the very end to avoid any mistake. And if you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you, guys. Now, to get this done, first of all, you need to launch your Facebook app. Then tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then tap on the setting gear on your top right corner. Then go to see more in account center. Then you need to scroll down. Then tap on password and security. Then scroll down. Then tap on personal details. Then you are going to see account ownership and control. Just tap on it. Then deactivation or deletion. Then tap on your Facebook profile. Then deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. So we have two options here. We have deactivating account and also deleting account. When you deactivate your account, your Facebook will be inactive, but your messenger, you'll be able to continue using your messenger. But when you delete your Facebook account, all things in your Facebook account are going to be deleted, including your messenger. So you'll not be able to use your messenger. Now choose on delete account, then tap on continue. Then deleting your account will also result to deleting your Facebook page. Now if you have a page, keep in mind that the page also is going to be deleted. Now tap on continue. Then you can choose the reason why you want to delete this account. So I'm just going to select I spent too much time on Facebook. Then tap on continue. Then tap on continue. Then before you delete, if there is anything that you need to save from your Facebook, you need now to download them. If there's any important information from your Facebook, you need to download them or transfer a copy of your information before you delete. Now once you confirm that, just tap on continue. Then now you need to enter your Facebook password. So that's it, guys. When you enter your Facebook password, your Facebook is going to be deleted. Now if you have found value from this video, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.